Oh, the markets take a hit, especially the Nasdaq. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, March 24th, 2014, and the markets down. You have the S&P down 0.5%, Dow down only 0.16%, Nasdaq off by 1.2%, Russell's off by 1.3%. So some big losses here on Nasdaq and Russells. I'll get into the Nasdaq stocks at the end of this video. Man, that's a bloodbath. Banks off by 0.4%. VIX not down very much, or up very much, only up 0.7%, really not confirming today's drop that much. But gold takes a big hit, down 1.8%. Silver off by 1.6%. And we'll look at those here in a bit. Taking a look at the S&P 500 today, we closed below a major trend line. Because of that, gang, I loaded up big on my hedge, protecting my longs. I got rid of a bunch of longs today, and also lightened up on my long positions and put on a hedge for the rest of them. Scary area now that we closed below the 20-day moving average and a trend line. Trend line acted as support here, acted as support here, should have acted as support here. It did not. We cracked the ice. Watch for downside movements now in the markets. On the weekly chart, though, we're only going sideways. White, red so far. So we're just building a high base. So I'm not panicking yet. But I'll tell you, that is troublesome when you see a daily chart like that. Gold here, man, we look for buying opportunities. I did not get in, and I'm happy I did not, man. Big gap down, just crazy move to the downside. That's the softening effect taking place with the Feds. The Feds are tapering back their taper, and it's just killing precious metals. You have silver here, same thing. I knew silver was in trouble. It was the wrong side of that trend line. Just boom to the downside. Ouch. Now, on the tech side, Apple's actually in bullish territory. Remember yesterday? Now, I'll tell you, everybody else in just pitiful shape. But I said on Friday, I said Apple is a buy. We closed over that. Look for upside potential, especially over this trend line. We gapped up. We came down, challenged that trend line to the penny. Look at that. You need to learn how to draw these advanced trend lines, and we rallied back higher. So this is really good news for Apple. So the buy recommendation from Friday is fully intact here, but we need the markets to go bullish. It is contingent on that. Amazon was down 2.4%. It's just crashing and burning. It's coming to a support level, but people may not want any part of this, even at that support level. Big volume coming in on the sell side. Facebook was off a staggering 4.7%. Rising wedge breakdown, and it just continues to crash and burn on volume. Woe to Facebook. Google off by more than 2%. Crash and burn. Bear pullback. I said look for selling opportunities. Sure enough, boom to the downside on big volume. LinkedIn was off by 4.4%. It's at a support level. People did buy into that, but I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole. Big sell-offs taking place. Microsoft was up 0.9%. Microsoft beating out a lot of other tech stocks. Netflix was off a staggering 6.7%. Huge drop to the downside on big volume. Netflix in trouble. Twitter was off more than 4%. I'm telling you, gang, we broke a big area of support here. Buying opportunities on Friday. No chance, because we did not have a higher high today. Instead, we go dropping down on volume. Just this market is pitiful on the tech side. Usually techs and small caps will lead the markets. This is what the daily chart looks like on the Nasdaq. We had a triangle, boom, break down. Friday it did this crazy thing. I said, woe to tech. Sure enough, today that's what we had. We're finding support at the rising 50-day moving average. The Russells here, look at this big M for murder, dropping, found support at a support level. Man, I could see people buying into that weakness and looking for upside. It needs to do that for the for longs to stay strong. But man, I'm seeing such a significant sell-off on Nasdaq's stocks, tech stocks, that it does not look good for the markets as a whole. Anyway, you don't have an email yet, but I'm looking to send out an email probably tomorrow for an invite to take our gaps class at the end of the week. People love this class. We're going to talk about the 3 different type of gaps and what the major trend reversals are in the markets and how to recognize those. That'd be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I think you guys will enjoy it. So I'll send out an invite to everybody that's on our mailing list. You'll probably get that again tomorrow, and we'll get something on our events page. Take care, and we'll catch you guys later.